Hey guys, welcome back to vlog number 2, part 3. Today we're starting on The Office. So the reason I'm here at The Office is because I talked to you guys about what happened to vlog number 2, part 3. So basically what happened is I was filming vlog number 3 that will eventually be coming out and will be coming out in a day or two. Maybe in the next couple of days, but I mean I still gotta edit it. But the thing is, when I was making the video at the actual car meet, what happened is I kind of ran out of space. So I was thinking, why don't I just delete some of my old videos? Like, okay, I don't need those. I've already posted them. They're not for me anymore. They're for you guys. So I'm like, okay, I'm gonna just get rid of my old ones, and now I have more space for newer videos. What I didn't realize is, in doing that, deleted them completely. Like I couldn't use them on my app in which I do the editing. Like I just completely got rid of them. I couldn't do anything with them. So I'm like, okay, they're deleted now. What do I do? So what I do is I look up all these forms and all this kind of stuff just to see what to do. And it turns out I just have to go to settings and go to deleted photos. And I got them, but only 2 of them, I believe, are actually still intact. The other ones aren't really real videos. You can't go backwards or forwards. It's just video playtime. And I guess I can show you guys at the end of the video, but don't click off yet because I gotta tell you guys something in a minute. So basically, I have all those other videos are not usable, but I think I have an idea. The quality and the video quality aren't going to be excellent, obviously. But what I might do is I might edit it to the point where it shows the videos in order. So this video might be pretty long, depending on if I do that. I mean, be aware if you're like, oh, why is it like 30 minutes long? It's because I had to add in everything else along with what's coming up in a second. So, as I was saying, what I was thinking about doing is, since I don't really have that much footage for today's vlog, I was thinking, why don't I just use backup footage? I'm like, okay, what do I think I should do? And I'm like, Monterey. So that's exactly what we're going to do. Hope you enjoy the video. So right now I'm going to show you guys the 2 videos that are still intact, and then I'll get on with other stuff. somebody should direct him.
Date vuelta ahí. Sigue por ahí, para que date vuelta.
It's a 918. Come on.
That is a really cool car.
Oh yeah, those are rare.